Ready? Start. However, we have considered the present petition moved by the petitioner in person. Stop. It appears to us that the petition, which has been presented before this court, lacks in material particulars, and it is also very difficult to discern precisely the allegations sought to be made in the said application. Stop. The petitioner has also made a wide and sweeping allegation against a judge of the High Court without giving any instance how and in what manner the said judge has influenced the other judicial officers of the state. Stop. Such sweeping allegations against a judge and other judicial officers need to be deprecated in no uncertain term. Stop. But it appears to us that the petitioner is a confused person and perhaps has failed to appreciate the consequence of making wild allegations against judicial officers. Stop. Even in this application, the petitioner has alleged that this court should pass a direction for making Hindi as a national language because such direction should have been given 28 years ago. Stop. He has also contended that he should be compensated for the loss alleged to have been suffered by him without indicating how and in what manner he has suffered losses. Stop. He has also alleged that the nation should also be compensated for the loss suffered by the nation from the pockets of the concerned persons, who did not care to take action against illegal and improper activities by the mill owners and some other persons. Stop. Such statement reveal utter confusion and obsessions of the petitioner. Stop. We are, therefore, not inclined to take any serious view of the wild allegations made against some of the members of the judiciary. Stop. Para. We may indicate here that as a matter of fact, when these matters were taken up for hearing before other benches of this court on 12 August, 1994, the said bench with respect rightly could not appreciate the precise relief which the petitioner was seeking, and as the petitioner was appearing in person and was making reference about various cases filed in different courts without giving relevant particulars of such cases and orders passed in such cases. Stop. Hence, the bench in its order dated 12th August, 1994 indicated that it was not possible for the court to understand what were those cases and against whom the same had been filed because the copies of those orders were not available on record. Stop. By the said order, it was directed that the Secretary, Supreme Court Legal Aid Committee, would render assistance to the petitioner to project his grievance and assist the court, and the petitioner was directed to approach the Supreme Court Legal Aid Committee for that purpose. Stop. It appears that in view of the direction, a counsel of this court was engaged by the Supreme Court Legal Aid Committee, but for the reasons best known to the petitioner, the petitioner chose to address the court in person, and in his submission he made general and sweeping remarks about the increase in corruption and malpractices gripping the country, seriously affecting the progress of the nation. Stop.